Hello everyone and welcome back to Rick's Garage. On today's episode I'm going to show you how to get your vehicle ready for winter with some snow tires.
Say hello to the bad side. My emotion is flatline. Hungry demon, what I'm seeing is snack time. When I rush in the grab, I better run from the path line.
When people hear the word Canada, the first things that usually come to mind are good beer, maple syrup, and of course, winter. As everyone knows, Canada has to suffer through 10 months of winter, so snow tires are not a new thing here. Now, every Canadian kid growing up learns how to put snow tires on their BMX bike, but I realized that how to do a seasonal changeover may not be as common knowledge as I thought. By installing your snow tires on some steel wheels, you can save yourself a bunch of time waiting around at a shop, not to mention the expense of changing over your tires twice a year. So whether you're from a place that only gets a little bit of snow, or even none at all, hang on tight because we're going to dive into the very Canadian world of snow tires. The age-old question of every automotive cheapskate is, do I really need snow tires? Well, unsurprisingly, if you live in a climate where the temperature drops below 7 degrees Celsius, or whatever Fahrenheit, the answer is yes.
Wait a sec. My tires say all season. Winter's a season.
True, winter is a season, but after spending a few years working in a tire shop, I can tell you that all-season tires are good for all seasons except winter. At 7 degrees Celsius, the rubber compounds in tires start to harden, turning your car's grippy little pencil erasers into super slippery hockey pucks. So remember, you don't necessarily need snow to need snow tires. And always remember, whatever tires you pick for winter have the snowflake. First things first, if you don't own a rattle gun, make sure to crack all your lugs before the car is in the air. The 10th Gen Civic uses a 19mm socket to remove the wheel nuts. I hope you remember the wheel lock key if you've got one. It's good practice to mark the position on the car where the wheel came from so you can easily rotate them next season for even wear. Also, once marked, give them a good wash. Get all the brake dust and road grime off the wheels and give the tires a good inspection. You never know what might be hiding in the rubber out of sight. So all that's left is to toss the summer wheels into storage and slap on the snowies, right? No! Unless you want your vehicle to end up on one of those mechanical problem videos, take the opportunity once the wheels are off to give everything a once-over. My checklist usually consists of the brake pads and rotors for condition and wear, the sway bar end links making sure everything is nice and tight, the hub bearings for noises or wobbles, and the main suspension and steering components to make sure everything is as it should be. Spending a little bit of time now checking will save you a lot of time later. Once you've got peace of mind that your vehicle isn't going to fall apart and send you into a snowbank, the winter tires are mounted using the standard star pattern. Remember that some tires are directional, so if they have an arrow, make sure that it's going the right way. And that's about it. Miss Vicky is now ready to rock and roll for winter. Now, I like to run 35 PSI in my snow tires, and because they've been in storage, make sure you double check them before you hit the road. Whether you're new to cars or you're a seasoned veteran, I hope you found this video helpful, or at the very least entertaining. And if so, make sure to hit the like button, as well subscribe with notifications so you'll never miss out on future content. I'm Rick the Welder, and as always, thank you all very much for watching.